right now. Hi, so this is going to be my screencast on going from a velocity versus time graph to a displacement versus time graph. So first here we have our velocity versus time graph, and I labeled each point as a certain velocity. So we have velocity equals 1, velocity equals 1, velocity equals 0, velocity equals 1, velocity equals, or velocity equals -1, velocity equals 0, velocity equals 0, and velocity equals 1. And then using the displacement formula, where displacement equals 1/2 of the velocity final plus the velocity initial times delta t, I was able to turn that graph into this graph. And I actually made a little mistake right here, which I realized while redoing my calculations, so I just crossed that out. And hopefully that doesn't look too messy. So I labeled each point A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And to get point A, I started with 1/2 times the velocity final, and the velocity final was 1. The velocity initial was 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1/2 of that is 1. So we're going to start from 0, and it's going to go up a whole point. So just like that. And then I did that for each point, so on. So for example, for B, it was going to be 1/2 of the velocity final, which was, or I guess I did it backwards, but the velocity final, which was 0, and the velocity initial, which is 1, so that equaled 1/2. So from point A to point B, it went up half. So it went from 1 to 1.5. And then I did that for every single point until filling it out all the way to point G. And here are my calculations. And that's about it. Thank you.